If you are seeing mosquitoes or bugs in your plants, I'm gonna show you how to create a natural mosquito repellent just using water and garlic to get rid of those bugs and protect your plants. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to watch my other videos if you are growing your own garden and your plants. And I hope this natural remedy to get rid of the mosquitoes will help your plants continue to bloom.